Hello, good evening, friends. It is the second video that I'm on live, particularly. Uh, Here, specifically, I just wanted to share a little bit of my experience with Singh Consultancy, and preferably during this period where I have got lots of experience, uh, as I have got personally lots of the depth what I have got, and specifically which I have given these all cases towards the Singh Consultancy. And here uh, I just wanted to mention to all the viewers, particularly, that whatever the loans that you have got or that you are availing right now, in respect to that, there are so many things will happen thereafter if, uh, as I have said in my last video as well, until and unless you are clearing those debts on the basis of this particular EMI basis, until you are clearing your EMIs, it won't be any problem for you as well. But when at the situation, because the life is not uh, a very regular way that we used to expect, that in every moment or every month, on every situation or every moment, whatever we suggest, that it will be going in same path or in same manner. But unfortunately, at that same time, we have to think that whenever we used to get fails to give or EMI in any month, and thereafter lots of calls used to come in your mobile, and in that situation, if you do not have any legal uh, consultancy or any legal confirmation or any legal suggestion, at that situation, what you are supposed to do, that is the main thing, or that is the core part that we used to think in our common life. Because you know very well, or we know very well, okay, in this particular month we have not yet cleared our debts or our EMI towards the particular bank from where we have taken a loan. But ultimately we have to give. But somehow the situation is like that we or you are not able to give, or it's not able to you are not able to prepare your installment in a particular time basis. So at that time, the bank or the financial institution is not going to listen properly what you are asking it for. Suppose you need some more time, but will the bank will listen you properly? I think It's no. It's no from the bank, because in during this corona period or the moratorium period, whatever the lesson we have got towards the mankind, or as per the verdict of respected our Supreme Court and our respected honorable government particularly, we know that these enduring 6 months particularly, during this lockdown particularly, that uh, we we have um, we have covered under this moratorium particularly, but thereafter what we are supposed to do? Did you ever think about your loans or about your debts? If you think, definitely you have thought, or you are going through this situation particularly, but thereafter what you need to do after the 6 months, after this moratorium, have you ever gone through this situation? Definitely you are going through this situation, but ultimately the situation is same, remain like earlier. I mean, it's more even worse than earlier. At that situation, um, what you're supposed to do is that same manner you are going to accept the same calls from the recovery agents or the from banks or from any other financial institution. uh, they just would like to give some awkward words that you are not able to expect. They just wanted to threaten you that that either you please pay off your loans, or that instances you are going to money you just prepare for that instances, whatever the things will happen to you. In that situation, we never we never even bother. Okay, whatever what in that situation specifically, on a human mind, the things will come that we have to prepare in some manner, or in such a manner that we we have to prepare for this loan particularly. I mean, you have to get it back as we have taken it. But have you ever thought, if you are not able to, I'm talking to those persons, or I'm talking to those people who are not able to prepare in such a situation. It will be a very worse situation. Specifically, I'm talking to those persons who are not able to prepare their EMIs in proper time. In such time, you definitely will think that if it could have done in such a manner, if I get some time, if I get little bit of time in a proper manner, then it could be um, um, precisely, it could be very bit little bit of relax for me. Otherwise, what I'm supposed to do? Because in during this corona period or COVID-19 period, there are so many people have lost their jobs. So many people, they are not able to get their proper salary what they are expecting. There are so many people, they are getting their salary in a restructured manner. Ultimately, in this situation, we have lost so many things. But the thing is like that, the financial institution or the banks from where we have taken a loan particularly, they are not going to listen up anymore. On the basis of that, they have settled it to recover all their dues, all their debts from the customer. In this situation, don't you think that it is, it needs, preferably we all, we need it, a consultancy or a consultant person who can take over the situation? Of course, you have thought, where should I go? Where should we go to get it settled? Or day after day, every time when you're in office, when you're in your house, when you're spending time with your family, probably in during this situation, if any random calls is coming, any random calls are coming in such a manner where repeatedly some threatening or some bullshit words are coming into in, from their mouth, that by tomorrow or by couple of hours you need to clear off your debts, then what you are supposed to do? I'm talking to those persons. You need to think it out. And not only think it out, you just need to go to Google, you just need to go to Singh Consultancy. It is the consultancy where you can get your result. It is the forum, it is the consultancy, it is the platform where you can get your best, what you are expecting. More than that, it will be cleared by the owner of the Singh Consultancy, as I am also going through so many situations in during lockdown, before lockdown, and after lockdown as well. I've got a huge experience which I'm going through particularly, but rather than that, whatever I have thought that I need to clear up my all debts, particularly since my beginning, or what I'm going through. And in regards to that, Singh Consultancy have given their best effort to get me the solution by which I'm supposed to get my answer, or I'm supposed to get my all the solution what I'm expecting or what I'm looking for. Thank you, friends, and moreover, I just wanted to tell you that please do not worry about your debts, because debts is all over the world, all over in India as well. So don't even worry about your debts. If you got debts, come to Singh Consultancy. It is the forum where you can share your all experience, your all debt details. The person who is sitting down there, he will be listening it to you, and probably he will be giving a very expected suggestion that you are looking for, and you will get a big relief where you will be preferably very happy after meeting. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video as well. Thank you.